Welcome back to Mommy's Joy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried rice. So here is my ingredients. You know, fried rice is a very common recipe for everybody, but I'm going to show you a different way how you can make it very quick and snappy without wasting much of your time. So these are my ingredients. This is rice, parboiled rice, and this is my seasoning and salt. Here is my spice. This is fried rice spice, and this is my yellow grated pepper. This is my carrots. Here is green beans. This is my sweet corn. This is green pepper. This is spring onion, and this is my onion, and this one is curry and thyme. In here I have my chicken sauce water. This water contains turmeric, it contains ginger and garlic, and a little seasoning. This is my chicken water that I will use and prepare the rice. Let's start the cooking. Woo! Alright, so what I will do now is to pour in my rice, my parboiled rice already. Oops. This rice. So what I will add now in this my rice is my chicken sauce water that contains garlic, ginger, turmeric, and other seasoning. And a cup of water. Right. Then I'll add my pepper. Then I'll add my seasoning and salt. And my onion. Then I'll add my curry and thyme. Then I have to boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, since I'm using 2-burner gas, let me make use of this mount. What I will do now, I will use this other pot to fry all my vegetables. Let me start by adding my groundnut oil. This groundnut oil that I will use and fry my vegetables. I will add my onions. My spring onion. And sage. Okay. Then my green pepper. Sorry for covering you. And my carrots. add my curry, remaining curry and thyme. And my seasoning and small salt. And stir it very well. I'm not going to put it for too long, fry it for too long, so that my carrots will not get soft. Okay, that's enough. I will turn off my gas. Let's open and check. Wow. I'm turning it, mixing everything together. Now we will now turn our already fried vegetables into this. Okay. Our fried rice is ready to serve. So I will mix it together to get my desired color. This is a very simple way to make fried rice. This fried rice is ready to serve. You can serve it with your soft drink. You can serve it with juice, a glass of juice. You can serve it with whatever. Let me serve you my own. I'm tasting my food now. This is 1 in a million fried rice. Ah. Oh. I love this. I love it. Oh my guys, you people are missing it. Please feel free to join me. Thank you for your time. See you. Bye bye.